I think I'm going for this. Nah, if you get that, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, no, you didn't get that. No way. No way.
I think that ball.
I don't think the ball's only gettable if you already get that. That's 3.
Oh, I meant to go for that.
Oh, this pink thing over here? Oh, well, you could be able to get that. This car is so slow. Look at those. Those are old bearings. No. Alright, my turn. Hold the camera. Alright. Gotta bring my A game.
It was a big day for Chris.
Hey, is it better from this angle? Is it better over here?
Yeah, Hayden's house.
And a breakup gift that sent him to prison for 45 years.
Oh, that's pretty good. By the legs? Oh, that's way more gettable. That's one try. Gosh darn, I hope you mess up. I want to get that.
Actress Blake Lively is in the hot seat for an Instagram post that some are calling offensive.
Yeah, I did.
Lively posted this picture of herself in a tight gold dress with the caption "LA face."
If you get that, then the panda's gonna be easy.
Sort of angles a lot called Baby Got Back. The 28-year-old actress, who is married to Ryan Reynolds and pregnant with her second child, is in Cannes to promote her film Cafe Society.
Oh.
Some fans called the post racially
yes.
No.
This is last try.
Responded to that backlash.
First Kim Kardashian, then Katy Perry, and now Britney Spears is getting her own mobile game. Britney Spears' American Dream is available today for iOS and Android. It's made by Glue Mobile, the same company that built the Kardashian game. Players compete to become the next hot.
It's hard for me to get that.
No, bro. Please don't do this like me. Alright, let's go.
Plenty of goodies that fans can pay
4 tries for
real
Devin.
money to get into the virtual world, and that's what it's really all about. Giving Britney real money.
You want to switch sides? Tell me if I'm winning. Please don't. Please don't.
I used that trade.
You got that. No! Yes!
I think we missed it. Alright, I got you.
No, I think it's because of the green fish. You keep on stabbing the green fish.
We're going to talk to the person educated.
We had Pac-Man.
We did. And Ms. Pac-Man, too. Yeah, that's right.
No, it's stab.
We'll go through that later. Look, we want to go outside and show you
That was my second, right? Now it's my
beach
third.
day. We've been seeing this shot for most of the day. And all the time,
Dude,
folks at the
I
beach.
see something that I
Dipping
think I'm
their
gonna go
feet into
for.
the water. You can see some of the
Not
surfers
gonna
coming
tell them.
out of the
I'm not
ocean
gonna
right
tell
now,
them.
going back in as
First,
well.
I'm gonna go for this pink thing if he doesn't get
I
it.
gotta see what I should go for
Running
now.
out.
Go for this pink thing.
2 or 3 foot
Alright.
some 4 foot
Yeah,
sets
go for the pink
possibly.
thing. I
And
think
that
you
will
can get that.
continue into Friday. That was it for the surf. As for your temperatures,
Well, it is your last try, so I think that's like.
just about 4 off of the.
Oh, yeah, yeah, it's
75 degrees right now. Numbers are comfortable, especially as we go inland. Look at Ontario right now, loving it. They're seeing some nice warm numbers. 82 there. Burbank at about 70.
I think it'd be good
degrees.
getting
Really
that.
cooler
Trying to
here
go.
at Beach Long
Try.
Beach
You're
right
gonna
now.
go. You think you got it? You think you
We've got
got it?
Santa
You think
Monica
you
at
guys? Just check
63
your sides real
degrees.
quick.
The wind direction coming
Zoom in on that.
heading in easterly direction, double-digit wind speeds right now. These are sustained winds, 10 miles per hour from Van Nuys.
Oh, my turn. My turn.
Stronger as we make our way
turn, bro.
towards Riverside.
Get it?
Alright.
15 mile per hour sustained wind speeds. We do have a wind advisory. It's in place until Friday evening, and it's just about all the way from the San Bernardino desert communities all the way up towards Barstow as well as Vegas.
Still going
As
for
we
the
see
same
this
dude.
low starting to exit, and this low bringing the winds to the high desert regions.
Yeah, that
As you can see,
fish.
bringing a lot
Oh,
of
I'll
wind.
go for the duck.
That's what I'm going for right now.
Arizona, and that low will continue to spin. It will eventually move further to the northeasterly direction. We've got another one.
Oh, you got that.
Through Northern California as we head into
Oh my God, there's nothing for me to go for.
You need to come back this way.
Let me see. Alright, we're back. or
Checking
something?
your side.
Is it cadence? It didn't even spin.
Oh, that is good right there.
Oh, please.
Oh, you got it. Oh! That was the second try, so now he's on the third.
You saw that?
Yeah. Oh, you're lucky. Oh, you got it. There's air on the bottom too. Not too much though.
Oh. No.
Oh, he got it. No. No.
Yes, let's go.
Oh, I could get the dolly thing.
Oh, I still have one.
And you could get the red Verica.
Yes,
Alright,
thank
it's
you.
tied up.
Oh,
yes!
Yes!
It's lit.
Rigman.
That's
You
messed
saw
up.
that?
That's messed up.
That's nah.
Bro, just get it. If you don't get it, then I'm gonna be happy.
What Rigman? Oh, what?
Oh yeah, that's on there.
No, it's gonna drop. Oh yes.
No!
No, you gotta kill me, bro.
Get killed.
No. Nah, Devin, don't get that. Don't get that, bro. That's messed up. Don't do me like that. No, not in this type of game. Oh my god, he's gonna get it.
Denied it. Devin,
Thank you.
Alright. I'm not going to. You earned it.
Yes, thank you. Go for the watermelon.
That's too heavy.
Oh, he's gonna go for this. thing.
You got it, dog.
You got that. Oh, wait. No.
That was my second try.
Third try, Devin. Third try.
Wait, what time is it? 3:50. Dang. All right, Brian.
Let's go. Let's do this. No. Oh, you got that. No. Loosen, it's gonna fall. Trust me, watch.
Yes.
Oh!
Yeah.
No! I'll get it for you, bro. Got this for you. Annabelle thing. 2-0.
One more. Okay, now I'm not gonna have no respect. I'm getting messed up.
No!
Alright, I'm gonna go for the red thing. Oh no, it's too far.
Nah, you can get that red thing actually.
It's too far.
No, that's how far the green thing was.
The green and red.
Oh, it's messed up, Devin.
I'm gonna have to take her.
Yes! Get out of here, Devin.
Watch you mess it up, boy.
I have a car. That's my body.
He sucks. He sucks,
It's in a
boy.
good way.
He
it's
sucks.
in a good position. I'm gonna get it by the body. Watch. By the body.
He's wearing the lows, that's for sure.
Oh, he's mad. It's gonna drop. Oh, there's his first win.
Yes, let's go.
He finally gets the dub. He deserved it. I'm not gonna lie. He just wasted.
Let's go.
He's on his. Wait, I'm gonna get it.
Ooh, bro.
Wow, bro, that's
Oh,
scandalous.
it's pretty heavy for a plush.
Pretty is 2-1 right now. I'm still in the lead, like normal. You're on your third try, I believe.
That's the equal.
Stab.
Please, actually.
Why'd you get the dog, dude? Nah. Last try is for this go. Hey, there's another Kyle dude from yesterday.
See, I think I'm gonna have to go for. Oh, it's too far back.
It can be harmful. If you're a caregiver, know someone with 55 to 90 years of age diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease, education,
Yep, you got it.
local studies
How much? Wait, let me check how much cards I have. I have $1 left, so that means I have 4 more tries to win. I had to do this. This is a close game, guys. Close game. I think I know what I'm gonna go for next. Oh, if he doesn't get it, yes, he didn't go for it. You got it. No, you don't. Yay! You're going for it again? I say you go more for the head. The head. Yeah, more back. Actually, you might have a good idea. Center body fold. Oh, it's stab. See, that's what I told you. I'd say, oh. No. Oh! Hey, go for it again. You got it? Bro, it stopped like right here. I think I recorded it. Oh, he says he got it right now. You know, I think you're gonna get the same curse that I got. Not stabbed. Unless you get it under the arm. No. 4th try. Last try. What's your quarter in like right now? Wait, is this your last quarter?
Wait, that messed up.
Oh yeah. It's your last try.
Alright, I guess.
It's your last try.
You might have to go into overtime if you win something.
If I win this,
If you don't, then I win. But please don't win that. Oh, that's in. Oh, nope. You stabbed it like a bee. Whoa. 2 tries.
I'm not going there.
2 tries or her loses.
It's really the only thing that's gettable in there now. Watch out.
And the Yo Gabba Gabba thing is. That was
Oh,
the worst aim. Oh, no.
oh. Look, you see? How, wow.
This is your last try. How do you feel, Brian?
Oh, how did I lose?
How do you feel that you're gonna lose? You're way off, dude. How come it spun so bad, like all the time?
It's been so bad all the time.
Now it's time to rub it in his face, boys. I win.
His assistants,
Let's go.
Robin Cohen in midair.
Time to
will
take that
of course
dub.
take the proper up.
Can't believe
Sure, it's
we
impossible,
got
but
2 prizes. Wait, come on, man.
Masters of
Give me
Olympia
1 quarter, please.
Friday night at 8.
I'll give you 2. I'll give you a quarter yesterday for the other video.
Right here on the CW.
Thank you.
KTLA.
Yeah. Oh, you got it. No, if you get it,
That's what it is.
you got it. No, freaking. Oh! Please. No, no. You got it. You got it. Oh, you see how it almost fell? See how it almost fell?
You can't get 2.
Hey,
In
you
one-
never
in
know.
1 quarter?
You never know.
25 years of KTLA
3 to 1.
news.
I'm gonna go for that Yo Gabba Gabba.
Riders' favorite moments. Tomorrow morning. Here we grow again. See spring home
Wait,
garden
if I get Betty Boop, and then
Friday through Sunday. See hundreds of exhibits, seminars, cooking shows, early bird gifts and entertainment all 3 days.
You got it.
The
Oh,
admission is free.
snap.
Presented by the
Almost
Orange
there.
County Register.
I'm gonna go for this panda because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get sold one.
Pepperoni pizza for just
I'll go for panda.
$5 with any medium or large
Panda.
PCM order. It's always a good time for Shakey's.
Oh, alright, I'll go. Last one. I'm gonna go for the panda.
I win. Looks like I'm about to take this dub.
is no exception. Create a tasty
Going for
carne
this
asada
dude in
with
the
boneless
corner.
flat meat at a low $5.77 a pound. Foster Farms California grown whole chicken is only 79 cents a pound. California grown fresh strawberries are an amazing $3.99.
Looks like I win.
And Stater
I
Brothers
lose.
18-pound fresh strawberries are just
Devin, here are your prizes.
Yeah. You already know. You already know.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. I'll be back another video maybe later this week. And this was a challenger.
See ya.